Namaste everyone. Now that Fun Learn with Giggles app is available on both iOS as well as Android platforms, here's a short video for all of you to understand how to access all our features and the different functionalities that we've created specially for you. So the first thing that you need to do is go to App Store or Play Store on your phone and search for Fun Learn with Giggles. Once you see a purple and green icon, you need to download it. Begin installing the app. Once it is downloaded 100%, you can go to the home screen of your phone and click on the icon. In the very beginning, you will see a login screen. If it is prompting you for any kind of updates or permissions, please press allow. The next thing that we do is we log in by entering our mobile number. On your registered mobile number, you will get a 6-digit code, which is the OTP that will be sent to you to ensure that it is you logging into the system. If you do not receive the OTP, you can click on resend. Successfully logged into our Fun Learn with Giggles app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see 5 icons. The first is Our Tribe. When you click on Our Tribe, what you see is like your personalized social media feed, right? So within the app, we've created this so that you can engage with fellow parents and learn from each other, watch the informational videos, expert insights that you get. Also, on top of this page, you will see a banner, and this is a scrolling banner which will keep telling you about our upcoming programs and what is happening and all the exciting things that we do for you. The second tab that you see here is Programs. When you click on Programs, you can access the programs that you have subscribed to. Okay, we have a series of programs for expecting mothers as well as mothers of infants. So for example, you can begin with Mindfulness for Expecting Moms, which is a 7-day program. You start with it, and then within it, you will see a structured 7-day plan. We begin with sound breathing, you have gratitude, then you have affirmations on day 3, and so on and so forth. Once you immerse into this mindfulness journey, you feel a lot more relaxed and stress-free in this beautiful phase of motherhood. Now, once you have experienced this, next you have Advance and Deep Dive. Okay, you can purchase them, you can buy now, and you can register for those services as well. Once you have delivered the baby, we have a series of prenatal programs as well, which are meant for mothers who are in the 8th and 9th month of their pregnancy, and also for mothers who have just recently delivered and begin enjoying motherhood. That is from 0 to 3 months of age. In this section, we have Mom and Baby Rhythms for newborn. Once you are settled in with your baby and you have explored these initial prenatal programs, now you move on to the Baby and Me Play program. In this segment, we have divided our program age-wise. So we have a program for 3 to 6 months, moving on to 6 to 9 months, then 9 to 12-month-old babies, and finally from 12 to 15 months. So basically, as you begin this beautiful journey of motherhood with us, when you're expecting, we are going to hold your hand till your baby turns 15 months. We are going to be by your side all along. The next tab or the next icon that you see after programs is Shop. We have a lot of meaningful offerings that we have created for you, like our Blissful Beginnings kit. You will have several journals that will help you document your beautiful motherhood journey, that will serve as a lovely memory when you look back and as your child grows. Next, we have a Reach Us icon. Here we can communicate. The entire community can speak to each other. It's just like your own safe space, a chat room where you can connect and wholeheartedly interact with fellow mothers. We also have a menu icon, okay, which has two features, that is meetups and level up. And be rest assured, once you are deeply immersed into this beautiful program, if you are in different towns and cities in Mumbai or in India and you wish to meet other fellow parents and have your child socially interact with other infants and babies, we are very soon going to launch meetups. So we have some very exciting things coming up for you while you work on this beautiful journey of motherhood. Alright, thank you. So this is how you can navigate the app. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section of this post, and we will be happy to help you. Alright, so now that we have gone through this journey together, I'm sure you realize how user-friendly and interactive the Giggles app is. What are you waiting for? Start exploring and learning. Fun ka fun, development bhi done.